Miller traffic, 61 Echo, entering left base for runway 12.
There he goes, passed right in front of us.
$500.
Miller traffic, Cessna 61 Echo, on final for runway 12.
Miller traffic, RV 0 Kilo Mike, left base 12 Millard.
Too low. Too low. Too low.
Traffic Cessna
Too
24
low.
Golf is 8 miles southwest. We'll be inbound to land 30.
Boy, it's a pretty night up here.
Miller, traffic stationary, 6 November Bravo 4, east, 45 for left downwind 12, full stop Miller.
Miller traffic, RV 0 Kilo Mike is turning final 12 Millard. One, two confirmed. Approach
500.
is stabilized. Full flaps. Pitch for 60 knots. What a beautiful sight.
Miller traffic, 61 Echo, clear of runway 12, taxiing to apron.
Hey, Micah, you guys want to just park in front of maintenance?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay, my next landing's going to be a lot darker than this one, so I'm going to make this one count, and I'll make the next one even better.
Miller stationary, 6 November Bravo, left downwind 12, full stop Miller.
Wow, that was smooth. All right, flaps up. Gauges are green. Speed is alive. 5 and rotate. Miller traffic, RV 0 Kilo Mike is on the go, 12 Millard.
Miller stationary, 6 November Bravo, left base, short approach, 12, full stop Miller.